Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a 3D fake house in After Effects. 3D fake is all about animating 2D objects in a way that lets you can see them from different angles. And also it can give your animation a super sleek and sexy look. So let's jump in and bring this 3D fake house to life. First, ensure that your illustration is separated into layers. You can design this in either Illustrator or directly in After Effects. Select all layers, right-click, choose Create, then Create Shapes from Vector Layer. And after converting, you can delete the original Illustrator file. To animate the first building, select the two relevant layers. Search for Path and create the keyframes for all paths. Using the pen tool, select one anchor point of the front layer of the building, then switch to the selection tool. Hold Ctrl-T and drag the anchor point slightly to reveal the building from the front angle. Repeat the process for the side layer of the building. Ensure that it's hidden in a front view so that it's not visible. Press space to preview the animation. Once it's done, press U to reveal the keyframes. Then select them and press F9 to apply Easy Ease and smooth the animation. Next, create a rectangle that matches the background color. This will act as a mask to conceal the building as they rise from below. After that, add a null object and parent the relevant parts of the building to it. Animate the position of the null object to control the movement of the building. For the second building, follow the similar process. But since this building has a rooftop, there's a small difference. Again, create a null object and parent the second building to it. Then animate its position. Use the speed graph to fine-tune the speed of animation, ensuring a smooth transition and movement. This will ensure both buildings animate effectively and look natural. To add more details, such as glass shine effects to your scene, draw a rectangle on your building layer to represent the glass. Import a PNG image of a brush layer that you can download it from my Telegram channel and add it to your project. Place the brush layer above the rectangle, then use track matte to mask the brush with your rectangle shape. Animate the brush layer to create a shiny effect, making the glass appear to reflect the light as it moves. This will enhance the overall detail and make your animation more polished. If you enjoyed this video, I would be really happy to subscribe, give it a like, leave a comment, and let me know if you would like to see more tutorial on 3D fake animation.